Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Amy and I post new videos every week. Today's video is going to be this 5-minute, 10-minute probably, 15-minute maybe, get ready with me. It's going to be an easy, everyday, minimalist, less is more kind of makeup look. We only used 5 brushes today, okay? So this is a very easy, everyday, no fuss situation. I'm gonna show you how I got this look really quickly and really easily with these products. I'm so pleased to be saying that I am making this video to honor the products that Merit Beauty gifted me. I am so grateful, so happy, so excited that a beauty company offered me products. Me. I don't even have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you so much. It means the world to me, like so much to me. And they sent them in this cute little bag. I will have like beautiful pictures overlaid because of course when I got my very first gifted makeup I had to take a photo shoot. So be prepared to see some beautiful photos of some of these products and see it all in action, and hopefully I can cut this down to be a pretty short video because it didn't take me long to create this face of makeup, but I talk a lot, as you can tell from this intro. So again, there will be a link below, an affiliate link for Merit products. If you see anything here that you want to go check out further, I will list every makeup product that I have on my face as well, so you know what everything is called and the colors and all of that good stuff. And yeah, if that sounds like something you're into, go ahead and like this video so I know you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get into it. Alright, so since this is going to be like a really quick, easy, everyday, minimalist kind of like 5-minute makeup situation, I mean, I'm not timing anything, I'm talking to you guys. What I'll do is I'm going to start with my complexion. Like, I don't need to start with my eyes at all because they're going to be simple. Okay, so Merit gifted me I got 2 of their complexion sticks. So these can be used as like concealer, foundation, anything. I picked up 2 shades because I got Bone for my skin shade, for like my foundation and concealer shade. And then I got Amber for like a bronzer stick shade. I thought that would be fun. So let's try it. Take some of the darker shade. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush. This complexion stick goes a little further than I fully expected. I didn't put any of it, the like paler shade, down here because I figured I would need to clean up afterwards. And I mean, this bronzer is a lot, so I'm gonna take more of the skin shade and kind of clean up and go over these, you know, unfun areas, blemishes if you will, zits if you don't mind. And then I'm gonna go, yeah, a little bit more right on top just to kind of get this to be in a more precise area. Don't mind the dry shampoo in my hair. So I've blended the complexion out with a brush because I just feel like, especially if you're in a hurry, a brush is really an easier option. You don't have to go wet it. But because I am a sponge person, I kind of want to like press everything into my skin. So I'm going to just take a dry sponge, I have not put anything on this, and just go over so it can pick up any excess. So here is the complexion all blended in with the brush and then went over with a dry sponge. I think it looks really good, especially on like my cheek area. It looks like radiant without being like glossy, you know what I mean? Like, look at even my forehead, you can see that this product has radiance to it. It is a little dry around my nose, a lot of products are. This is a product that I would probably either use like a really hydrating base underneath, especially around my nose, or use the e.l.f. Mint Melt Primer because I find that that really helps in my little nose area here. But overall, I think it looks really good. Let's move on. Ooh, before we go into cheeks, I want to throw on, I got their lip gloss in Bel Air, which is a basically clear shade. All of their products are fragrance free, so if you have sensitive skin, that's really good. It's like a clean beauty, right? Paraben free, fragrance free, sulfate free, all that good stuff, if that's what you're into. I like this lip oil. It doesn't have a tint, at least on my lips, but it's very comfortable and it has like a light shine on the lips. It's a very thin, and yeah, I like it. I could definitely put that in my purse and like throw it on as I'm out and about. So I do have the Merit blush, but this is not part of what was gifted to me. I picked this up during one of the Sephora sales, one of their like holiday sets. It came in that, and it's this beautiful like raspberry kind of shade. It is called Cheeky. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Putty blush. I've been really enjoying it for my blush application. It cream blushes. I love this tone, especially for winter. I feel like it gives me the perfect like wind chapped cheek look. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Glossier Stretch Concealer, and I'm just going to use the Dry Beauty Blender. This is my like go-to when I am like just trying to get out the door. Also, you'll notice I did the bronzer and blush before I did the concealer. Now, if I had more time, I would do concealer, then blush, and if the blush gets out of hand, then I'll go back with the concealer. But if I'm trying to do like a quick 5-10 minute face, then I'm gonna want to do the concealer last, so that way I don't have to go back again. Like I can just correct right here and I'm all good to go, you know? Next, I would just take a little bit of powder underneath my eyes. The rest of my face, I feel like because I have drier skin, I can get away without powdering a lot of times. And this Complexion, the Merit Complexion stick, I feel like it is something that you could set or not set depending on your skin. It has a little bit of a glow to it, and there's like a tiny bit of tack, but for me this is pretty much dried down, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Charlotte Tilbury powder like normal and go right under my eyes. All right, next I'm gonna go into this Merit highlight. This is the highlighting balm in Cava. I have seen Tara Brooke use this all last year, guys, and I was jealous and I wanted to try it so bad. I am so happy, like so happy they sent these products, that they gifted me these products for this item alone. Like 100% worth it, because watch this. This is what it looks like right here. Got it on my finger. I'm gonna tap some with my middle finger, okay, and then I'm gonna blend with my ring. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. Love, love, love. Tara hypes this up for good reason. It is so beautiful, so pretty, and now you can see my skin looks a lot glowier without adding a bunch of like stickiness to it. It has just about the same kind of feel. It's like a little bit of tackiness, but nothing that I can't handle with my dry skin, you know? And I just think my skin looks so healthy right now, like overall. It looks very, very like everyday, but like I'm put together, but like I'm so cool that I don't even have to care about it, you know? That's how it looks right now. For my eyes, I picked up these two products on recommendation from Amanda Z. Oh gosh, a few like months ago, like I think back in October I bought these, but I still have not used them. So this felt like the perfect time to use them because it's kind of a one and done shadow kind of thing. So first I picked up the Ulta Beauty Matte Cream Eyeshadow. This is the shade Game Over. It's this like super neutral taupey pale shade. And the Ulta Beauty Bouncy Eyeshadow in the shade Maple Pecan. And now I did swatch this, so don't mind me, but look at how pretty that looks. In an effort to be really like easy, everyday, effortless looking, I'm going to just take a little bit of the matte shadow. It has this really funky little doe foot here. Anyways, I'm gonna just take a little bit of this in like the outer corner, and as you can see, it's very close to my skin tone. And I'm gonna take a little bit on the lower lash there. I'm gonna do both sides. I'm only acting this confident because I've watched Amanda Z use these, so. And she's pretty confident when she uses them, so. And then I'm gonna just take a blending brush and blend that into the eye, in the crease, and then a little above. So as you can see, it looks at home on my face. Like, it looks almost natural. Like, it doesn't look natural, but it almost looks natural, you know? Ooh, I love that shade so much. And I love the formula. It's like a very soft formula, but it has pigment to it. So it does look almost like I blended a bunch of eyeshadow on, but like highly pigmented eyeshadow, like matte eyeshadows, like regular ones. And then I'm gonna take this one with just my finger and just pop that. Look at that. That's so pretty, Amanda. Now this is not like super glittery or anything like that. It's just like this wet look on the eyes. You can see it looks very like, I want to say natural, but it's quite reflective, so it doesn't look natural, but natural, you know? It's natural. But I just feel like this eye look is exactly what like the classy, sophisticated minimalist version of Amy would wear. Like if I ran a company and I had to go in every day, I probably wouldn't be super creative with my looks. I would just want to look very much put together and in charge, and I just feel like this is giving that. All right, now I'm feeling like naked mole ratty, so I need to do these eyebrows. So what I would do in an everyday situation is take my trusty dusty e.l.f. Ultra Precise brow pencil, which I'm almost out of, and do a little line under my brows. I usually will thicken up the tail a bit because that part of my eyebrow is very sparse and like disappears off my face. I look so weird now. And then just do a few little boop boops, hair-like strokes throughout the whole front half. Like that. Now, if I have an extra second or two, I will spend the time to like perfect and add an arch in here since I don't have one. And then blend them out. There is my easy like 1 second brow. And the last thing that I would do for my brows is throw on some of the M Cosmetics brow cream, and that really helps fill in this front half as well. I swear it finds hairs that don't exist. I think those brows look pretty good for the 1 minute 38 seconds that it took me. And now my face is starting to feel a little bit more put together. One more thing that we're missing to help frame my eyes here is the mascara. And I have the Merit Lengthening Mascara in Perfect Black. Alright, so here is the mascara. I think it looks pretty good for a lengthening mascara. It is lengthening and it has a little bit of thickening. And I really like the brush on this. Let me show it to you. Look at this right here. I love the bristles on this brush. I felt like it really grabbed every hair and it was like super comfortable. I would probably use it more so as like a layering mascara. I always want to mix up mascara and concealer. I don't know why, but I would want a little bit more volume, so I'd maybe use it with something that I consider maybe too clumpy and just throw a little bit of that on to give me that volume and then brush through with this. But as an everyday mascara, I think it's really pretty. I mean, you tell me, what do you think of my lashes? And the last Merit product that I have is the lip oil in the shade Taupe, which is the one that Alana Davison raves about, that Tara Brooke raves about. Now, I am not really like a brown lip girl. I'm more of a pink lip girl. So I was a little bit nervous, but I was like, hey, everybody's raving about this. Get the taupe. So before I put this on, actually, because I'm going to use it as like a finishing touch, I'm going to throw on a little bit of my Colourpop BFF lip liner. Also, the Bel Air lip oil that I already have on is like, it's still there on my lips, but I do feel like it is soaking into my lips rather than like pulling to the edges of my lips, which I really love because sometimes lip glosses do that. It's kind of like a sheer but rich brown. It's a little bit taupey, a little bit of a pinkness to it, but it's still a brown. Let's take down my hair and zoom out. All right, so here is the finished look, like 5-minute, maybe 10-minute, everyday kind of look, a minimalist, woman in power kind of look. I love it. I think I told you I was gonna zoom out and then I just came to the camera anyway. Like, I think this looks so good on my skin. Like, look at that. Oh, that is what I live for right there. That. And the eyeshadow I think looks really good. And I don't know what my brows look amazing today. I don't know what brow power came over me today, but have you ever seen me have better brows? Let me know down below. And I love the lip oil. I totally didn't think, okay, I didn't think that I wouldn't like it, but I didn't think that I would love it this much. And I think I love it because of the like redness in my hair. Like, it just goes so well with my overall hair. And I don't know if this is in my head, but I feel like it makes my complexion look almost warmer than it is and more like have more color to it. Let me know what you think. I think it looks so good, and I really hated my hair before we started, but something about clipping it back and then letting it go gave me these like leftover from last night curls, which these lived-in curls, which I'm living for. I love it. Again, a huge thank you to Merit for gifting me these products to try out today. I had a lot of fun trying them out and I can't wait to get to use them in my everyday life. Also, I will have an affiliate link down below. So if you guys wanted to try out anything I talked about here today or just check out the site in general, you can do that there. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!